Namaste everyone, welcome to Centum CS. In this video, we will be glancing the solutions for NCERT solution for chapter 2 working with images. Multiple choice, we have 5 multiple choice in our textbook. So the text or image which appears faintly in the background of the page is called watermark. JPG, the full form is Joint Photographic Expert Group. Then in the drawing objects properties, grouping options provided are exit group, ungroup, enter group, all of this is all of this. So which of the following is not the correct file extension of an image file? ODT is an extension of a document. Image toolbar does not provide a tool for copying. Next, fill in the blanks. I hope everybody will read this and get the solution. No need to explain. In case if I missed any explanation in other videos of this particular chapter, then I'm going to explain. Short answer, what is digital image? Yes, of course. A picture in computer terms is called as digital image, represented by the values zeros and ones, and we call this as pixel, tiny dots which together create the image. And many formats available: GIF, JPG, PNG, BMP. Like how digital images are created: using digital camera or using scanner. Question number 2. Write the steps to insert an image from gallery using drag drop method. Open the document, open a browser and select the image to be inserted. Drag the image into the document and drop it. So how is resizing of image different from cropping? Resizing alters the width height of the image. Cropping removes the portions outside the chosen frame. What are the tools available in the drawing toolbar? Describe any 5. There are many drawing toolbars available. Select tool, line tool, rectangle tool, oval tool, text tool. Right. Okay. Next. How is linking of an image different from embedding? Give a situation in which you would prefer to link an image. Yes. Linking stores only the file path, URL to the image, not the image. Whereas embedding is like you are saving the image inside the document. Obviously linking is small in document and the original image changes. The document shows the update image automatically. This requires access to the external file. Links can break in the file if it is moved or renamed. When it is embedded, the image is large in the size, image is fixed. Snapshot doesn't auto update if the original changes. Fully portable, no dependency or external files are required. When would you prefer linking? When images change frequently and you would want a document to auto update. Example, a product of catalog or a monthly report that pulls brand logos or graphs from a shared folder. So this keeps the document small and always in sync with the latest image. Write steps to change properties for drawing objects. Okay, there are 2 different situations here. Like before drawing the objects, you can set the property. Select the object from the drawing toolbar. Change the various properties of the object like fill color, line style. Draw the selected object on the document. The one more situation is after drawing the objects. Once you draw object, later on you can change the or modify the properties. Select the object in the document whose properties are to be modified. Change the various properties of object like fill color, line color, etc. using drawing object property toolbar. What are the benefits and drawback of grouping drawing objects? Yes, grouping lets you move resize, align, rotate and apply formatting to multiple objects at one unit, perceiving their relative position and speeding up consistent edits. So what is the drawback? Grouping objects are harder to edit individually. You may enter to the group or ungroup them, and grouping can cause unexpected effects on layering, anchoring and text wrapping. Any two tools for describe any two tools from drawing object property toolbar. See, there are 18 properties and we can describe any two of them. So that is line color, line style, line width, transparency, corner radius, shadow, 3D setting, align, distribute, arrange, position in size, rotate, flip, edit points, glue points, font work. So there are many properties available. So you can explain any two of them in detail. Write steps to insert an image in a basic drawing shape. Place the cursor in the document where you want to draw the, place the object. Select the basic shape from the drawing toolbar. Click or drag and drop it. Release the mouse button. Write the factors controlling positioning of an image in the document. Yes, controlling settings are available. Arrangement, anchoring, alignment, text wrapping. So here completes the solution for the NCERT chapter 2, working with images. Then in the next video we shall be discussing about MCQs.